folks, I found it. I found it. I was in the wrong state. I was thinking California. Man, I was way off. Is Massachusetts? I found it where the female judge was charged. You know, done the same thing that this Wisconsin uh, judge did. Same thing. They got a lot of things in common. White liberal females. Okay, that's her right there. That's Judge Shelley Richmond right there that you're looking at. And you crying. What you crying for? What to stop your blood clot crying? What you crying for? You done it. Let's just and you see, and it was April 2019. April 2019. Matter of fact, I need to make that my thumbnail. I'll do a screenshot right fast, and yeah, okay, that'll be my thumbnail. I ain't gonna. We just gonna hit the big points. Massachusetts judge was indicted Thursday on charges that she helped a man who was living in the U.S. illegally sneak out a back door of the courthouse to evade a waiting immigration enforcement agent. Newton District Court Judge Shelley M. Richmond Joseph. Damn, she got a lot of damn names. And former court officer Wesley MacGregor. Wesley MacGregor. That name. Well, Wesley could tell me my side, but MacGregor tells me the other side. So I don't know what mess. I'll see if I can find a picture of Wesley MacGregor. Were charged with obstruction of justice based on accusations that they schemed to let the man escape after hearing last year on charges that included drug possession. So she'll probably put, if you go up in front of her for drug related possession, trafficking, whatever the hell, she'll put my black ass in jail. I'm willing to. I've never dealt drugs, but we know there's a lot of people, black people, well, all kind of people, but black people too, in the pen for drug trafficking or possession or whatever the frick. I know a guy that went to jail over 3 joints. Now, I ain't gonna sit here and say, well, it was just a. Hey, man, rules are rules, but I mean, it sounds kind of petty, but you know, is it on the books? Yeah. Is that a violation of the law? Yeah. What is it punishable by? By this much? Then, man, I mean, I guess they got you, dog. You wanted the joints more than you wanted your freedom. The charges against Joseph and MacGregor were swiftly condemned in a statement from the state's attorney general. See, now the state's attorney general, look, basically, it's all right that y'all help an illegal alien that's a drug trafficker escape. It's okay. Matter of fact, I don't even know why we even had him in court. He didn't say that, but that's what the fuck he might as well say. Lawyers and judges and advocates have criticized the Orange Man administration for stepping up immigration. Like I was telling people, he was doing it the first time. He was trying to do it the first time, but he didn't have the Senate. Man, you don't have the Senate, it's hard to get anything done. You're in lame duck from the word go. Stepping up courthouses, saying it's disrupting the criminal justice system and scaring people away from halls of justice. That charges were not meant to send a message about immigrant. No, you broke the law. Certain corners I heard occasion a gasp of dismay or outrage, and the notion of holding a judge accountable for violating the law. Wait, so judges get a free run, I guess. So judges don't have to be held to the standards that they will send you to jail for. Okay. That must be a liberal thing. It gotta be. Joseph, who was appointed District Court 2017, has been suspended without pay. Yeah. Authorities say immigration agent was in the courtroom to detain the man when he appeared in Newton courthouse April 2018. The Dominican man had twice been deported. Listen to the video. Listen to what I said in the one I just put up about the Wisconsin judge, or how what would happen to people that I catch. Did you get deported and you're back here again? I mean, you're going to go to sleep and you're not going to wake up. Sorry, not sorry. Deporter has been barred from entering the U.S. until 2027. He said, "Flip that. I got dope to push." Authorities say Joseph's clerk asked the agent to leave the courtroom and told him that the suspect would be released into the courthouse lobby. Instead, after the hearing, MacGregor led the defendant downstairs to the lockup and let him out a rear door, prosecutors say. The man was caught by immigration officials about a month later, Lelling said, and is now in immigration proceedings. Trump administration has resisted calls to all courthouses to the list of so-called sensitive locations that are generally free from immigration enforcement, like schools and places of worship. Okay. Abuse of power hurts us all, says Peter Fitzhugh, special agent in charge of ICE and Homeland Security, and undermines the core mission of government. Man, I know what I hope they ransack her house. I hope her house get ransacked. I hope that somebody boosts her car, and then after she get the house done again, it get ransacked again. And then they boost her rental. Then they crack her rental car that she driving until she can get another car. I hope they take that too. Yeah, and then just hit her up. Then you can sit there and you can have that look. Why is this happening to me? Well, you cool with it happening to other people. That's your job. You supposed to be a judge. What are you doing? Y'all, I can't today. I can't. Let's get out of here. I'll leave a link. I say it was 2019. I say, because I ain't heard nobody talk about it. I'm like, man, I remember this. This ain't new. Somebody just, it was a chick judge, and everybody looking at me all crazy. Well, now you can say my bad, Nick. My bad. Y'all be good. Y'all be safe. Keep your head on the swivel. Bye.